Okay, so when we're running with a stepped eave, you're going to go ahead and keep the eave line the same with the drip edge and the gutter riser. Do our rake battens just like we would do with a regular rake, and then we'll start to lay this out to keep the bottom course our short course. Do not put the short courses in the middle of the field. Keep them down at the eave. All right, we're going to start laying this out. We're going to come with our bottom row. Treat it just like we would any other bottom row. We're going to come down here, fasten down through the top. Make sure I have a 1/2 inch overhang. Then we need to determine where my course is going to line up on this bottom panel. Then we come back with our M-sill, place our M-sill across the bottom here. Just like so. Then we'll come back with our next course. Make sure it's nice and tight up top. Make sure all my grooves are lining up with the shake. And then once we're all settled, we can start fastening this. Now when we fasten our short course, since it's overhanging, we need to go down through the top into that M-sill. Alright, once we get all our panels on the short course, then it'll be time to adjust this rake. So we go ahead and just put our end cap on just like we do our regular rake ends. Go ahead and hook that first one, fasten down into the 2x2 just like we normally would. Then we're going to come back, find our angle and our drip edge, go ahead and notch that out, slide that underneath our cap, just like so. And then fasten that cap as normal, down through that 2x2. Then we can go ahead and notch our panel, throw some caulking underneath this one, right here. And then we can go ahead and press this panel down and fasten it as normal. And then just remember any screws down through the top, so in our bottom rows and our cap, we're going to go ahead, come back with our caulking. And then our touch-up kit, go ahead and throw those granules into that caulking on all those screws going down through the top of the panels and caps.